The next step is gathering and evaluating internal audit evidence. Why gather evidence? To support the auditor's conclusion. How auditors gather evidence? By performing audit procedures. These audit procedures are 1. Analytical procedures. This involves reasonableness test, variance analysis, trend analysis, ratio analysis, and other procedures which will help the auditors evaluate financial information through possible relationships among financial and non-financial data of an organization. Second, external confirmation. This represents audit evidence obtained by the auditor as a direct written response from a third party. There are two types of confirmation: positive and negative confirmation. Positive confirmation requires the third party to reply in all cases, while negative confirmation requires the respondent to reply only if the information provided in the request do not match the information they have. The third one is inspection. This involves examining records or documents, whether internal or external, that could be held in various forms like paper, electronic or similar, or on physical assessment of an asset. Fourth is inquiry, the least reliable, yet the procedure which is used extensively throughout the audit activity. Why? Because the auditor may gather responses which differ from the information already possessed. Fifth is observation. This involves looking at the processes or procedures performed in an organization. For example, observing the counting of inventories by the entity's personnel. 6. Reperformance. This involves the auditor's independent execution of procedures or controls that were originally performed as part of the entity's internal control. For example, independently preparing aging of accounts receivables. Lastly, recalculation. This consists of checking mathematical accuracy of documents or records. For example, testing the mathematical accuracy of sales invoice and inventory. The auditor must perform these procedures in order to gather sufficient and appropriate audit evidence to draw reasonable conclusions on which to base the audit opinion.